Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of these model discussion videos. So as you can see, I'm in a different room this time. I'm not really going to limit myself to filming these in one room or one place at all. It's just really going to be wherever. But I did a poll on if you would rather see me do a review on a new in-box item or a kit I'm currently working on. The kit won, so here we have the Dapol kit I'm currently building. Well, not really currently. I've really put the project on hold as I've lost interest in it, but it's still something that will come eventually. But it is City of Truro. So this was a little Dapol kit that I got almost 2 years ago, honestly. Way before I started HO stuff, but I just started working on it geez, it was ages ago now. It was 5 months ago, 4 months, something like that. But I was going for a TV series design, and the Dapol kit is very versatile in that manner, as it sort of allows you to sort of make adjustments where needed. The TV series model has a bit of a different shape. I'm not going for entirely accurate, but you know, I still want it to have that little TV series aesthetic. And one of the major things that really separates the TV series designs from railway series designs or just real life locomotives in general is simplicity and lack of detail. So as you can see, I've sanded off a lot of the details here on this. I've cut them off, chipped them off, puttied them. You know, this is really smooth to the touch. Well, obviously you won't know that because, I mean, you're not here with me. But just feeling this, it feels really smooth, and that's exactly what I want. So, yeah, the boiler piece is pretty much done. This piece is complete. Then we have the running board. I think I got that one done too. Yeah, this is done. Although I'm not sure. I think I might paint this separately. I'm not sure. Yeah, I might paint it and then glue it, but I could glue it all together. It's just it creates that little ugly ass seam, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much the engine so far. The cab, I actually messed up the two cab wall pieces. However, that's absolutely fine, because I was thinking of just redoing them and making them not really a bit more accurate, but because they were already pretty accurate, but just, you know, because I screwed them up. One major thing I do want to mention, though, is how I got the little details off, because this Dapol kit was really hard to chip away at. For example, the Bachmann plastic is really soft. You can stick a knife in it and it'll come off just like that. This was really hard to pick at. And if I wasn't careful, I'd slice the knife through my thumb again. So what I did, I did something very interesting. I actually let it soak in hot water and paint thinner. And that sort of melted the plastic a bit, but not really melted, but softened it. And that really, really, really helped, because it was a lot easier to, you know, chip away at it and sand it down and stuff like that. And as you can see, it worked, because as I said, it's very smooth now. So I have, the wheels are in here. Got the side rods, you can see. What else? We got, it's got the coupling hooks, that's great. Little things for the little emblem or whatever. I think those are the tender wheels. And then, yeah, you can see which plastics I let soak in the hot water or / paint thinner, because these are still all glossy. And then the ones that soaked are this charcoal gray color. And I didn't soak all of them in there. Obviously, you know, the tiny details, just the things that I need to chip away at. So all the tender pieces, basically anything of the mainframe of the locomotive, you know. yeah. Oh, we have a little smoke box door here. I don't know why I soaked that. I don't think I'm gonna be chipping it. Oh wait, no, the handrail, because I'm probably gonna add my own handrails. Yeah, I already agreed to doing that, because that's why I chipped out the handrails, so I'm gonna have to take that off. But yeah, pretty interesting stuff. One thing I do want to talk about for the remainder of this video is how I will be painting it. So I did a wooden railway Truro, like almost a year ago now, and it turned out amazing. It was definitely my most, like, it was definitely the custom I put the most amount of work in, and the one that turned out best, like, out of all my customs. It's easily my favorite wooden railway custom I did. But it was just so annoying to paint, and I don't really know if I'm up to doing another Truro. Because another thing is that Truro, you know, of course, is not really a important character whatsoever. He appeared in one episode of the 3rd series. I'm not even doing 3rd series modeling. My engines are all based on, like, the Magic Railroad Season 6, Season 7 aesthetic. And, yeah, that's... Turo's kind of against that. If I did paint him, I would try to make him look like they updated him along the way, you know. That's what I sort of did for my Scruffy. But I just don't know, because, I mean, he's a one-off character. So what I'm thinking, and I know everyone's going to hate me for this, is doing Scrap Truro. You know, that way I'm still making a TV series accurate model, because, I mean, it is TV series accurate. He was a scrap model in the show. And, you know, then I can get a lot more use out of him. Because instead of him being just, you know, a one-off character, and, like another thing with Truro is he can't even appear in the background. Like, you have to write him in. You know, he can't just, like with, like, let's say you make some random one-off hit character, like Billy, for example. Let's say you make Billy. You know, you can still have him, like, shunting in the background or something, but it doesn't make, if you're filming and stuff, it doesn't make any sense for Truro to be on Sodor unless there's, like, a given reason. So, unless you're really writing for him, you know, he's kind of useless. So, if I do a scrap model, then, you know, I can always hide him in the little background, put him on a ton of different sets, he'll get a ton of use, you know, and best of all, I don't have to, like, buy all the paints again, and, you know, lining tape is also really expensive. There's you know, the handrails especially, oh my god, those are, that's one of the main reasons I've put off doing, like, Gordon and Salty. But yeah, like, I don't know, you know, I don't see a point to doing it if he's just gonna sit there and collect dust. So, I don't know, doing Truro as, you know, as intended is not completely out of the question, but I'm really leaning towards just making him a scrap model. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you have, like, a really valid reason for me to make legit Truro, let me know. But yeah, just let me know what you thought about this, and if you have any comments or whatever, let me know. You know, this discussion video for a reason. Got the whole flow going. And man, do I not know how to end these videos. But, yeah, if you have any more ideas for these little discussion videos, let me know in the comments. I know I hinted at quite a few projects, both in the past and future, that I've worked on or working on. And, yeah, have a good day, everyone. Stay safe during quarantine, and, yeah, get your model on.